on. Myself Maheswari, Assistant Professor, Dr. SMS College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about unit plan. So this is about planning about the total unit of teaching biological science in detail. So unit is nothing but a complex block of subject matter which includes the meaningful activities designed with the instructional objectives and teaching aids required to teach the content in an effective way. It is nothing but integrated as a whole. So unit plan is nothing but integrated as a whole. And then it includes the systematic arrangement of the contents one after the other, and what are the materials required to teach that particular content, and what are the learning experience the teacher needs to experience, and then what experience they need to give it to the students, that the teacher must already plan everything in this unit area. So what is the importance of this unit plan? We can teach this, we can take this large area of the content and systematically we have to arrange the content in an orderly way for the effective teaching in the classroom situation. And how we need to arrange now, what are the criteria we need to check now in order to check out the needs, capabilities and interests of the students. We have to check out the needs, capabilities and interest of the students by the student teachers. And then what are the things we need to demonstrate in biology classroom? We can demonstrate, for example, we need to teach the bell jar experiment. We need to take the bell jar apparatus first, make it ready so that the students can we can make the students to understand it in effective way. So experiments we have to pre-plan and take and make it prior arrangements before the students enter into the lab. And then we have to check out the previous knowledge and experience of the students. For example, you need to teach the bell jar experiment or test tube funnel experiments. So it is a lifelong area. Science starts from the basic level itself, and then we need to check out the previous knowledge of the students. Based on that, we need to take the new content, and then we need to provide new experience to the students. So the unit must be arranged from the previous knowledge checking, and then we are introducing the new concept, and innovative concepts only we need to introduce. And then we need to teach always the known concepts to unknown concepts. First we need to introduce the familiar concept, and then the students feels very comfortable. After that unknown concepts must be taught. And then we must check out the physical environment and the social environment of the students. What is going to be physical environment? What about the sitting questions? For example, we need to teach or we need to do some experiments in the lab. Now we need to check out the sitting questions, ventilations and then sink facilities. Is it available in the laboratory? We need to check. And social environment, for example, for the particular experiment, 3 students are occupying in that particular situation. How their social condition is, we need to check out. Why we are planning in that unit area itself? The units are planned particularly. The curriculum will be effective and we can bring it to the students in an effective way. And we need continuous development of the students. That is orderly development we need. For example, we are teaching one class in bell jar experiment and another class in about pollution. There is no continuity towards the student. So we need to be continuous about the particular content. And then first we need to check out the overview of the unit first, and then we need to frame the instructional objectives in an effective way, and then the content analysis we need to check out, is it applicable to the particular students based on their interest capabilities, and what are the teaching learning activities we are utilizing in that particular classroom, and what are the teaching aids we can use, we have to design. And we have to evaluate the knowledge of the previous knowledge and the new knowledge of the students. And we at last we can provide worksheets to the students. Worksheets must, the teacher is providing the worksheet that must be innovative and effective and interesting to student teacher. And last we need to check out the bibliography, that is the different reference books we need to refer, and we need to introduce it to the students. Whatever activity we are doing, we need to write the reference to. This is about the unit plan. In the future classes we will discuss more about this unit plan. Thank you.